P300L-R control. You have a 10-inch chuck mounted on the main spindle. You have a 12-position turret. And then you also have a sub-spindle with a collar chuck mounted currently. The spindle right now is running at 500. Speed it up. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 1,500. That's 2,000. Nice and quiet. Both the main and the sub are equipped with a C-axis. We'll jog the C-axis now. And then we will run the live tooling on the turret. That's 1,000 on the live tool. That's 2,000 on the live tool. And that's 3,000 on the live tool. Okay, we'll index the turret. Again, it's a 12-position turret. Everything you see mounted will go with the machine. Jog the axes. That's your Z. Have your X. Then you also have Y. Then you also have your W axis, which is your sub. Now we're going to switch over to your sub spindle. That's 1,100. That's 2,200. That's 2,500. Nice and quiet. This also has a C-axis. It's a full C. And jog that out of the way. I'll show you the tool setter. Machine's also equipped with a parts catcher. It has a chip conveyor and a coolant system. It can be seen